So if you have been thinking on which agriculture enterprise to get involved into, all right, and maybe wondering which one is profitable, I'd like to also recommend to you poultry production. All right, in Liberia, poultry is one of our major food. We largely consume poultry products, in millions of dollars annually. So poultry farming is one very, very critical thing for our food system and food security. Note, starting poultry production does not require a large investment. You can start small and then you can use, whatever means to be able to start. So it's easy to start with limited capital or investment. But what you need is proper planning, good management, and you can start small and expand over a period of time. That's a good part of poultry production. And here is how you can start. You can start small. That's the first thing. You can start small. You can start with 50 to 100 birds, and start with that and understand the process, grow, and then you can expand. In that process, you will gain experience, in bird management, disease management, the market, and different things. All right. With that, you can be able to, move ahead and you can scale up, you can expand. Another thing you need to know is how to choose the right enterprise. All right, because you can't do everything at once, starting with a small capital. All right, so you either choose or you decide to raise birds, for meat, which is broilers, or you raise birds for eggs, which is layers. So knowing that will help you to know, what to do and also the kind of cost associated with them. Then the other thing you need to know is a simple poultry house. Use local materials that are available. All right, that you can use to construct your poultry house, minimizing costs. Yes, that's one way to go. Another thing you need to know is you have to buy healthy chicks, all right? Because you can start with, unhealthy birds. Because healthy chicks have a chances to, survive difficult times, also to grow. So you have to consider that. And this is it, all right? Healthy chicks or healthy birds, not cheap birds, because sometimes people want to mix up that. They want to go for the cheap ones. The cheap ones may not be healthy, so always go for the healthy ones. To do that, you have to be able to secure or purchase from, recognized and reputable hatcheries or suppliers of birds or chicks. And this is it. Prioritize feed and health. Think about this. Where will you get the, quality feed from? Do you have clean waters? All right. Are you able to, carry out good hygiene and sanitation? This is very important because, a good hygiene, sanitation, and feed and clean waters is going to prevent you from, encountering disease outbreak that will make you to lose all of your birds. But the healthy birds grow faster. So go for health, go for good feeds, sanitation, hygiene, clean waters. And finally, remember this: farm buyers early. Do not wait for the birds or the eggs to be ready before you look for buyers. Farm buyer early, as well as restaurants, household, local markets, supermarkets, or wherever the buyer asks. Make sure you can rearrange with them early, all right? Approach them, engage them, so that when you are ready to harvest your eggs or your bird, you already know who want to buy it and where they are and how you can find them. That is very critical because the marketing aspect of the poultry, production or initiative is very, very critical. This is the one that bring in money for you to reinvest or continue your productions. All right. Yes, poultry is easy to start with, small investment, but you need to know what to do and how to do it. All right. So I can encourage you. You can start a poultry farm today, and you can start small. I know young people who started that, like Perkins Farms, which is one of the newest on the blogging place of poultry farm or production. He's traveling today because he started small. He started to learn, and then he starts groom. Started with less than 50 birds. Today he got 1,000 or more. All right. So you can also do that.